second run. And the first one I started back in, I feel like December-ish, November-ish, and finished today and cut it today. The first one is on my car. This one is burlap, but I feel like they work the same. This one's a little bit tougher, but they both get the job done. But yeah, I'll put in a time lapse of me building it and a time lapse of today's progress. And if y'all want an in-depth video about how to build it, I can do that too. It was like roughly $30, I believe. But yeah, enjoy. Talking that shit, we gon' sit on above. Turbo with some like 42 dub, yeah. I feel like shucks, I'm catching dubs. I'ma be thinking till I like the bug. I did some shit, I swept under the rug. Damn, hold up, they show me love. She wonder why I still give it up. Lately I'm like it, but she keep it tough. Over at Shawty, I'm hunting for ducks. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. I feel like shucks, I'm catching dubs. I'ma be thinking till I like the bug. I did some shit, I swept under the rug. Damn, hold up, they show me love. She wonder why I still give it up. Lately I'm like it, but she keep it tough. Over at Shawty, I'm hunting for ducks. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. I feel like shucks, I'm catching dubs. I'ma be thinking till I like the bug. I did some shit, I swept under the rug. Damn, hold up, they show me love. She wonder why I still give it up. Maybe I'm like it, but she keep it tough. We're about to Shawty, I'm hunting for ducks. Where you a lame, where you a scrub, yeah. I feel like shells, I'm catching dubs. I get these niggas, I like the bug. I did some shit, I swept under the rug. Damn, hold up, you show me love. You wonder why, still give it up. Got me out loud, she keep it tough. Yeah, I shot it, I'm hunting for it. I thought I had enough black yarn to finish the project, but I didn't. So right now we just going to Walmart, regrouping and shit. So yeah, we in this bitch. Yeah, it's still Corona times, but I don't want to hear shit about not having no mask. Nigga, I am in, it's not no more, but it was the number 8 city in America, and America's number 1 in the world. So nigga, I was in the number 8 place in the world, worst for coronavirus. I don't give a damn. Herd immunity. Back on the yarn aisle. Let me see. 2 more things in black, we're not running out. So I'm back at the crib, gonna set up the gun and get a little bit more leeway, and I'm gonna check in with y'all. Check in. I like rock star clothes. I ship it out, not talking about drugs. Wrapping it up, better than most. Yeah, TMZ, trying to expose. Need a nigga for some roast, then I'll rock them at my show. Energy and motion, always keep the pace high, yeah. Girl, I know you bad, but can you tell me where your mind at? Last year I grew patience, but now I don't have no time for brats. Transformation glow, playback on the time lapse. Over, had to let it go, just to get my mind back. This where we at now. Got a good bit done. I'm fucking with it. Not a good bit out. So we here, got as much done as yesterday, kinda. And I noticed it was kind of light on some of the spots. You know, you can kind of see through it.
So what you saw me doing at the end of the time lapse was just going over a few extra areas to, make it darker, more full. This where we at now. Got a good bit done. I'm fucking with it. Knocked a good bit out. I'm about to die. I'm about to run it black again. Here we at. Or here we are. So yeah, here at nighttime. Pretty satisfied with the results. Fucking made 2 holes on accident. So I'm gonna go show y'all that and where we at.
Romulus.
Here are the holes. One right there and one somewhere over here. I ain't gonna mess with this one. I wanna find it. What I'm gonna probably do is just whenever I put the glue on the back, take that clump right there, just stick it in the hole. And we'll see what it do. But first I gotta get more black. I got a strip left. So, oh shit, let me get right. It's day 3. Had a lot of stuff to think on. I'm probably not gonna use burlap no more because I don't know if you can see it in the time lapse, but I stretch it a lot. Like it keeps on not coming all the way off the loom, but it'll get back to its form. It won't be stretched or whatever. So I guess that's why mom's cloth is the best for that because it's like a tighter weave or whatever. And so yeah. Also realized I've been filming the time lapses in the wrong dimensions or whatever, so I'm gonna get right on that. And yeah, I did a lot off camera, so I'm gonna try to get the rest on the screen again when I get back. But yeah, I'll either catch y'all at Walmart or the crib.
I won't get this overall, I still want you. Can you see my point of view? Be like you, look up, ask God what to do. Make some frequencies to loop. I been boss, baby, what's new? I just taught it to the crew. Bite the hand and you a fool. SLP too cool. Take these niggas back to school. I see your face. Baby, please don't fake it. Put these hoes adjacent. Let me get a placement. Beat all in your basement. Hear the speakers banging. Please don't leave me hanging. If I don't make it, let them know I wasn't basic. See some shit I want, I take it. Off the grind, you complacent. I want mine in a statement. Got my mind on that paper and don't hurt. Grow your waist so slim and firm. That ass so big and soft. They just let me take it off. They just let me take it off. They just let me take it off.
So I did as just got off of work, and I took the rug off the room, and I cut it around the edges, about every 2 inches. And I'm about to take a shower, vacuum it, and whip stitch it. So I just got out of my Zoom class, and I started whip stitching this fucker. So yeah, I'm trying to make leeway on that. I got 2 different spots. Don't ask me why I started in 2 different spots. Just straight ass. You can see all the fucking that sitting under it, the burlap. And this is the one I started in class. It's a little bit better. So yeah, so basically all I'm gonna do is continue to whip stitch around the whole edge, and then vacuum it, clean it up, trim it up, you know, shave all the extra pieces that poke out, and yeah, that'll be it. It is, wait, let me pause this. Turn it down or something. It's day 4. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's kind of going crazy. Here it goes. Got the edge all the way down here, all the way down there. And I took the scissors, and I'll show you what I did with those. Hold on. You know, snipping like this. But, you know, put a little pressure on it and get like the, I guess, you know, the extra curly ones, the ones that stick out. And you take your hand and rub it across it, and then make it a little ball. You just take it off or whatever. But then I also, I don't know if you can see it or not, kind of shaved in around this part, and I trim the edges so it'll lay flat better. You can kind of see the edge more. But yeah, day 4, probably end up finishing it tomorrow. But I'm liking how it's coming so far. Ooh, back at the spot. I think it's day, technically, if we counting work days, I believe it's day 6. If we not, then it's only day 5. Cause I just didn't touch that motherfucker for a whole day. But we're here at my place in the final resting place of the rug, and I don't know, I'm fucking with it. I'm kind of fucking with it. We here, it's working, it's clicking. But yeah, just some things I want to go over. I whip stitched as much as I could, all the way down this edge, all the way down that edge. But on this edge and this edge, the monk's cloth, or not the monk's cloth, the burlap was just so like, there was none left, you know, like I vacuumed it and I took some of the strands out. And so it wanted to just come back and fold up, and I couldn't really whip stitch it because it wasn't thick enough, but I just cut that part off. But I still like it, you know, I don't care. I'm fucking with it regardless. It's a vibe. Overall, it was a really fun process, and I enjoyed it, and I'm planning to pump out a few rugs, get better at it this year. But yeah. Also, any content you want to see this year, let me know. I'm going to be doing as much as I can, making clothes on the channel, making beats, just showing you guys how to make stuff, you know, just going through the process with me behind the scenes. So yeah, I'd like to thank Tyreek again for buying me the Tufting gun. And really, that's about it. I'll link some videos below that kind of helped me learn how to make it. And then some videos I also saw that to make a better rug, just in case you might have the money to buy the clippers and whatnot to like shape the rug and shit. So I'm gonna drop all the links below to make a fire ass hard ass rug, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, peace out.